Merry Christmas, Burbito! Mwah!
The video is about to get exciting. There's a small chance we're going to get attacked by 2 dogs. We're alone, invite us. No. Hello from Manila. Christmas Eve and it's absolutely quiet because we have nothing to do. We came for content. We thought it would be nice, it would be festive, it's Manila. There's nothing guys, look. There's nothing. Poblacion is supposed to be quite busy. It's not, it's empty, it's dead.
It's so quiet.
It's dead, there's nothing. But we're here and we're trying because our 5 subscribers demand it.
Welcome to CLC Park. Just joking. What to do for Christmas here in Makati, in Manila? We thought Poblacion would be so lively and full of kids doing carols, but there's nothing. It's so quiet. I feel like we should be whispering. There's nothing. And even in the not so empty parts are closed. Everything is closed. Alamat is closed. So, what a great Christmas.
So now we're walking and there's nothing to see and there's nowhere to go. But we are adamant that we will find something festive. I see something festive already. You see it?
Which one?
That is festive. We're trying to find something which looks Christmassy. So far, this will be our thumbnail. See those lights? That's like Christmas? No? Maybe not.
So originally we planned to be at TLC Park in Taguig because it looked amazing and very festive with all of this food and all of these people. But unfortunately, it was closed. And it's not just us, by the way, because they didn't update it on Google. In Google, it says it's open, and a lot of people assume that way too. So there was 20 people, more than 20, that were just arriving, and they were like, "It's closed." What is that?
What is that? We may have found life in Poblacion. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
We're alone, invite us. No? Okay, cool. Maybe not.
I expected to see a lot of lights, a lot of kids outside doing their carols and asking for money, but so far the only carols that we heard was those 2 female adults with their mics on.
Yeah, but they weren't very good.
Yeah, it looked very just give us money type.
Yeah.
Not really, no effort carol.
Merry Christmas. There's nothing here, it's empty.
Merry Christmas.
People are polite.
Thank you.
I think we might be... Oh, there's a dog. Alright guys, the video is about to get exciting. There's a small chance we're going to get attacked by 2 dogs. So, keep watching only for that.
Only for that. And maybe it's our fault because we didn't plan, at least have a backup plan or something.
This is the backup. Poblacion was the backup plan. We sound very pessimistic. It's just we expected a lot of festivities from Christmas Eve in Manila. But hey, that's for sale.
But I understand that maybe like one comment will pop up, which is probably Rory.
Yeah, Rory will comment.
Maybe, because I grew up in the Philippines as well. And this is my first time experiencing Christmas Eve purely from outside, in a way. Usually Christmas in the Philippines is spent cooking, cleaning, and finalizing the presents, and then with family and uncles and aunts will be like drinking already at home, not outside.
I'll bring you on a journey. We can see all the festivities. Christmas tree building. Like I said, with me as a tour guide.
Normally, this place would be so full.
Yeah, it's insanely full. Nearly every night, except for Christmas Eve.
And right now, it's super duper empty. And we see a lot of foreigners. I guess they're kind of like, why is it so empty? Going inside Poblacion.
There are a couple of places which were open, were dead. So even the expat restaurants and other establishments, which usually are frequented by a lot of people, were empty. So I understand why it was slightly empty. Now we're going to get great.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Because in Pampanga, usually my friends are there. Family is there. So it becomes the usual way of Christmas. Usual way in the means that you start cooking, at noon and then wrapping presents, finalizing them. So last time we saw kind of like a street food market near the church. Oh, maybe this is the ones that they're talking about on Google.
For the 5 subscribers we have, we made a video whereby we passed this one establishment and we promised we'd come back. So 2 months later,
So guys, what does Christmas consist of? It consists of family members, a lot of cooking, food. We're not doing any of that. Gifts, we have gifts and we have a Christmas tree. So Noche Buena is not there. But at least need cake, no? Yeah, I think we're not really prepared for it. It's our fault. But we just expected more with the park, the TLC park. So guys, there was some news and now it's kind of not news.
yeah, first of all, Rory lied to us and said, one guy, he's ginger. He told us that there's a street party event in Makati, but it was a lie. There's nothing there. So thank you, Rory.
They are having fun. Exactly the people opposite from us. They are having a lot of fun.
Inside there with our hats in our hands and see if they'll let us in.
I don't even know if it's... Oh, it cannot zoom, but I think you can... I don't know if you can see it, but they're having a lot of fun. To remind ourselves that we should definitely plan something, prepare something, and have plan B, and have plan C, because apparently plan B doesn't
No.
work.
Well, I didn't expect it because it's a Christian country, and in
Yeah.
Dubai, it was a lot more Christmassy and festive than here.
Yeah.
Everyone knows Dubai is very open to all religions, all creeds, all races. So they do some effort. Because there's a lot of expats. But in Manila, there's not many expats. So people are doing Christmas the traditional way, at home with their families.
There's a lot of comments about Kapampangans, about them being a really good cook. But maybe if I make effort, you
No,
know,
we don't have time
the blood of the spirits of my ancestors will be like.
Okay.
So guys, we don't really know what to do right now. We don't know what content.
So if you're wondering who did we make this video for, we made it for those people who are like us, have no plans for Christmas Eve, probably at home with fuck all to do. This is for you.
Watching YouTube, because that's what I did when I think it was my first year as an OFW, wherein I didn't have anyone beside me, like physically. What did you do for Christmas? And I would remember this 2025 Christmas, the Christmas that we failed to do the things that we thought we will do.
55 sa bumbong, 75 sa dito.
20. Saan po ito gawa?
Malakit na bigas.
Tsaka po food coloring. Something festive. We are buying puto bongbong and bibingka. Puto bongbong is literally sticky rice and purple food coloring. It's not really disappointing to know that because I grew up eating it. So it's more about the taste, not the health content.
Food coloring might be healthy.
No, it's not.
Is it purple?
Yeah.
That's the healthy type.
It's super duper purple. Nice kind of purple. The bibingka consists of, I think it's just batter, flour with egg and then they put slices of salted egg in there and some grated cheese. The name of the store is Kabalen, by the way. Kabalen is a Kapampangan word, so there is a big possibility that they are Kapampangan. Okay, puto bongbong and bibingka acquired, and now a lot of the churchgoers, the mass just ended. There's a lot of peeps.
A lot of peeps.
A lot of peeps. We are now walking. We're on the way home and it's only 10 p.m. But this was the time that we were planning to go home anyway, right?
Because we planned to upload when we film, the same day we film it.
Yeah.
But also, there's not much to do.
We bought Christmas snacks though. We will eat this at midnight exactly and then we will open presents. So
Oh.
that's exciting.
Buena is bibingka, puto bongbong, and this is blues.
It is exactly midnight.
Merry Christmas from Blue. Blue.
Merry Christmas, Moncherito! Blue looks so funny looking. Moncherito. Tingin-tingin! Oop.
So trained.
Tingin-tingin. Merry Christmas, Burbito! Mwah.
This is not normal for Blue.
He's not like super trained, no.
He's not trained at all. He's usually a little bit of an asshole. He likes to attack us and scream at us. And now he's being affectionate. Why are you being so affectionate?
But with other people,
He's
you
well
make
behaved.
it seem like he's very trained. It's like he knows that he's being filmed. Blue also has his plate. He's kind of weirded out right now because maybe he is remembering that this happened before during his birthday, before we left Dubai. So it's kind of surreal for him looking at the bananas and the spinachi. Merry Christmas, people of YouTube. This is the bibingka that we bought earlier. Oh no, the puto bongbong, and then the bibingka, and then Blue's food stuff, and then Blue. Can you see him? This is the Christmas tree situation. Isn't it so cute? As digital nomads, we chose this specific tree because we cannot really bring a big tree in our luggage. Seriously? This is the puto bongbong. I wonder if it's the same as I remember it.
Oh, he's peeking out. He's got feet on the lettuce,
I don't think it'll work.
carrot in the mouth.
It's usually a long one. Stop being a big. He just stared at me. I got a piss from this.
It's not sweet. Definitely got egg in it. The texture is like mainly egg. But omelette kind of. In a way. I like that texture.
I'm scared about.
It's nice.
It looks okay, right? The size?
It's something I would wear.
It's Monsieur Borbito. It's for you. Oh, but this one I might not like. It's too big. I'll try to get another one. Maybe you want to play with the paper. Finally done. This is also for Monsieur, by the way. For Blue.
Look, it's a rat. It's nice for the gym. Texture. Thank you.
So if I look at the other side, I'll give it away.
Yeah. Well, they were advertising so much on Instagram.
With sleeves. Washable blanket.
But it also turns into a pillow.
Oh, the one that I told you. Oh, it's a baby. It says fuzzy cheeks. Thank you, baby. This is so cute. For you.
Thank you. I have no idea what it is.
I was thinking of something functional.
It is functional. Because I usually don't know what to put in my pants. Thank you, baby. So, Christmas Eve didn't turn out exactly how we planned. Option A, B, and C. But that's how it is.
See you in the next one.
think of the fireworks?
Really low. Kind of scary. Very different.
I'll give it to me. I
the food.